Yan. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon po kung saan po naman kayong lukalop ng mundo na nakikinig at nanonood po netong aking presentation. By the way, ano ba yung trending business right now na pwede mong pagkakitaan kahit ikaw yung tipo ng taong busy, ikaw yung tipo ng taong walang time, ikaw yung tipo ng tao na gusto mo nasa bahay lang na kumikita. Well, you have the right timing kasi right now meron pong isang kumpanya na kung saan pwede natin pagkakitaan na nasa bahay lang. Kahit ikaw yung tipo ng taong pinaka-busy, I think kaya mong gawin to because on my team, meron kaming system na kung saan na makakatulong sa'yo na mapalago mo yung negosyo mo. At yung binabanggit kong company is Live Good. Okay? So, pakilala mo na po ako. My name is Coach Maki Makapagal. I'm an international coach. Right now, and as of now pa, gold rank na po sa Live Good. I have a total of 1,300 members under my organizations. At the same time po, ang background ko, dati po akong I'm a former Shakey's manager. At the same time, a master trainer in my previous company. Also, I'm doing a Facebook ads trainer. But right now, kung tatanungin mo ako kung magde-design ako, hindi pa. Kasi bakit? Fresh pa yung market. Maaaring yung mga kakilala, kaibigan mo, hindi pa rin kilala to. So much better na sila munang matap mo bago ibang tao. Now, I'm the co-founder of The One. Okay? In our team, we have one team, meaning together everyone achieve more. Pagtutulong-tulungan natin, you have a team na pag nag-join ka sa team namin, you have a team na tutulong sa'yo. We have a common goal which is to become a diamond kasi diamond is considered for us na retirement period. Bakit kaya retirement period ng diamond, no? So maya-maya malalaman yun. And we also have a one system. So definitely, yung one system na ginagawa namin, ibig sabihin lang po na kailangan may isang sistema na ginagawa para lahat iisa ang papupuntahan. Ibig sabihin ko, ang common goal natin is to become a diamond, so dapat isang sistema lang ang tumatakbo sa grupo. Okay. So again, Live Good. The One or Diamond One. For us, all things are possible. Naniniwala po kami na lahat ay posible, lalo na kung ang isang bagay nagiging imposible at wala nakakagawa. Pero pag may nakakagawa, that's already a possible. Okay, so meet our Live Good team. Ben Gilski headed, again, this is headed by Ben Gilski. Meron na po siyang 20 years experience sa ganitong klase ng negosyo. Ang goal ni Ben is to help people win. Later, makakalaman niyo po. Si Nader Kazan is a director of network marketing. Sabi niya nga po, overpricing of products is finished. Yan, later on, malalaman niyo po. Then we have Ryan Goodkin and Lisa Goodkin. Si Ryan po ang bahala when it comes to product. Kasi po si Ryan ay meron pong background when it comes to tinatawag nating pharmacy or health practitioners. Okay? Ryan has a unique background of being both natural health. Okay, with his wife Lisa Goodkin with a master degree in exercise psychology or a degree in science in nutrition and over 20 years of experience. So napakaganda ng kombinasyon po nila. Tama? Sabi nga natin, before you join this kind mga ganitong kumpanya, you always look for the 3 P's. Number 1, yung tinatawag nating profile. Number 2, the product. And number 3, the plan. As long as we go on, lahat po yan ipapakita ko sa inyo bakit Live Good ang right choice for you or right company for you. Okay? Now, gusto mong good news? Ang good news, Live Good was launched globally last December 2022. So meaning si Live Good po ay almost 1 year and 2 months pa lang. Ang ating opisina is located at the Florida. The good news, focus on helping people through advanced nutritional supplementation made with result-driven ingredient. Live Good operate as a membership-based program. So Live Good is not a networking. This is a club membership that pay and also a subscription that pay. So ang question, may ibang branch na ba tayo o warehouse sa ibang bansa? Yes. Imagine niyo po, 1 year and 2 months pa lang si Live Good, but yet we have a Germany. Meron na tayong operational warehouse sa Germany and very soon sa India, Philippines, and Brazil. Now, let's talk about Live Good products. No? ang lahat po ng product ni Live Good ay made in US. And most of our product, karamihan po ng product namin dumaan po sa good manufacturing practices. Pag sinabi mong good manufacturing practices or GMP, nandun pa lang sa process ng paggawa ng produkto, may checking nang nangyayari o may quality control na nangyayari. Magkaiba po to sa inaasahan natin dun sa mga ibang approval like FDA. FDA give the company a license to sell the product because it's safe na gamitin ng mga tao. Okay? Now, isa sa mga sigurado ko bakit siya maganda because of the National Sanitation Foundation. A certification verify that each batch of dietary supplement it certified does not contain, imagine this not contain unsafe level of condiments, prohibited substance or masking. Okay, another thing, certificate of analysis, tested and purity and potency. So to be fair, apat po na accredited ng American Associations of Laboratory ang nag-certify na ang mga product ni Live Good ay maganda at very effective. Yan ang mga Rapid Analytic, Makers Nutrition, Alt Labs, and JAD Labs. Okay? Kaya secured po kayo na ang ating mga produkto sa Live Good ay pure organic. Yan. So, napakasimple lang po ng mission ni Live Good. Our mission is simple. To get healthy and stay healthy. Tanungin kita, kaibigan. Gusto mo ba na healthy ka at magstay healthy ka? So, ang sabi ni Live Good, without having to spend fortune to do it. Maraming available sa market right now na mga magagandang produkto. Lahat po sila maganda. Okay? Nagkakatalo na lang, number one, sa quality at if your product is affordable. So we have the highest quality, purest, most healthy ingredients, at the same time the best product because less than half the price. Now, paano mo nasabi? We have several products na makikita mo once you ask a link, no? Nandun po lahat yung ingredients, nandun mababasa nyo lahat all about the products. No, hindi ko na po siya i-discuss na bawat isa. As you can see, may mga bundle din po tayo. Bigyan ko na lang po ng price comparison. No? As you can see, yung aming Bioactive Complete Multivitamins, compare mo sa leading brand sa US, napakalaki po ng diferensya. They have 79% different from $9.95 na presyo ng produkto namin. How about the sa D3K200, sa compare mo sa other leading brand, no, they have 75%. Okay? At the same time po, meron po tayong Super Green and Super Red. Yung nakikita nyo yung ibang product, which is the leading brand in the US, napakamahal, pero yet, when it going to compare dun sa ating product, hindi po sila nagkakalayo. Ganun po kaganda. Okay? Now, may testimony. Again, lahat naman po ng product may testimony. They all have a claims. But the good news, syempre, sa Live Good, meron din po. Once you join our team or once you join Live Good, meron po tayo dun sa bawat product na mga reviews. Makikita niyo po yun. Okay. Now, since ang gusto, kung ikaw yung tipo ng taong open magdagdag ng kita at kung magustuhan mo itong present ko, well, hindi pa yun ang qualification because this is a club membership. Gusto kong ma-assure na if you're going to join my team, masigurado kong kikita ka. Kaya meron kaming qualification sa group namin na number one, dapat open ka magdagdag ng kita. Number two, dapat nagustuhan mo si Live Good. And number three, dapat kaya mong gawin. So kung meron kang qualification na ngayon, after my presentation, after I discuss ko kung anong gagawin mo, ito yung pagkakakitaan natin. Number one, we have matrix commission and matching bonus. Nare-receive to every month. We have a weekly fast start commission sa every people na magiging part ng club mo. Every week may marireceive kang income coming from Live Good. Then the diamond bonus pool. Ito yung tinasabi naming retirement. Kasi pag once you become a diamond, you will receive a 6-digit income. Question, baka naman matagal bago makuha? No. Ang pagiging diamond kay Live Good, it takes merong mga nakakuha ng 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Tama, ang last na nakakuha ng diamond rank is 22 years. 22 years old, nakuha niya in 10 months. So we have the customer acquisition bonuses, retail commission, and influencer bonus. Now, ano ba ang subscription? As you can see, we have SNR, Landers, Gold Gym Fitness, Amazon Prime, Netflix, and Costco. And those company, you need to become a member or subscriber. Just like SNR, bago ka magkaroon ng tinatawag na privilege and discount, you need to become a member. Pero kung nag-member ka, nagbayad ka ng $12.99 or $700, ang makukuha mo lang nun, a card na prove na membership ka. Wala kang product na nakuha. Same as Landers, same as Gold Gym. Pag nag-subscribe ka or nag-member ka kay Gold Gym, meron kang entitled ka doon sa mga privilege na meron doon sa kanilang facility. Amazon Prime, there's a two kind of Amazon. We have Amazon and Amazon Prime. Para ma-enjoy mo yung privilege and discount dun sa Amazon Prime, you need to pay $15 a month as a mode of subscription. Okay? Netflix, ganun din. You need, para ma-enjoy mo yung services entertainment nila, kailangan mo bilhin yung subscription nila. You pay every month the monthly subscription para tuloy-tuloy yung panonood mo. Pero come to think of it, panooran mo man o hindi, ulitin ko panooran mo o hindi, magbabayad ka na every month. Now, si Costco, ganun din. You pay $120 membership, but yet kahit hindi ka mamili, no? Since you paid $120 in return para ma-enjoy mo yung pinakamababang presyo ng mga product nila. Bakit ba maganda ang subscription or membership? Kung titingnan po natin yung history, as you can see, yung revenue ng bawat company nakikita nyo right now, napakalaki. It's a $1 billion company. So imagine mo na if ever tayo ay mga subscriber neto mga to, pero wala tayong kinikita. For example, Netflix, they have a 9.99 subscription. Meron silang 230 million na subscriber. Their annual, last 2022, annual revenue is 32 billion pesos. So hindi barya-baryang business ang pinag-uusapan natin. Costco, they have 15 million household. We have 100 million cardholder. Ang batting average o yung renewal rate nila is 88%. Can you imagine? Wala pang lumalabas na produkto, tama? Wala pang service na nire-render si Costco, but Costco gained $3.5 billion in terms of membership. Now, my question, sino yung mga taong nag-enjoy sa mga income na to? Ilang tao lang. Okay? Now, my good news is, though these companies offer amazing product and services, they don't have what LiveGood has. Bakit? Si LiveGood is a subscription that pays. As I said, SNR, Landers is a good sample of a club membership. LiveGood is also a club membership. In terms of subscription, mga internet, Wi-Fi, or mga Netflix and Zoom, their category is in subscription. LiveGood is subscription also. But ano ba ang pinagkaiba ni LiveGood sa mga company ko? Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, itong mga company to, iilan lang po ang kumita. While on LiveGood, if you become part of LiveGood as a member, as a subscriber, si LiveGood ay babayaran ka. Tama? Na-excite ka na ba, kaibigan? Now, let's talk about our membership. Kung mapapansin mo, mababa lang din ang membership. Pwede ka mamili for a 1 month for 1 month or a membership. We have one-time payment of $40 and we have $9.95 for your monthly subscription. That will be $49.95. Or kung ikaw yung tipo ng taong ayaw mo nang may inaalala every month, I suggest you pay a 1-year membership plan. So that will be $139.95. So one-time payment na $40 and instead of $120 ang babayaran mo, maleles yun ng $20 for a discount. Kaya ang babayaran mo na lang is $99.95 that for your 1-year subscription and $40 for your one-time payments as a affiliate. Now, ano ba yung makukuha ko, Coach Maki, once become a Live Good. Number 1, you are entitled to up to 75% off on all products. Imagine mo, yung product na natin ino-offer sa'yo, almost factory price na. The good thing, wala na siyang dinaanan na ibang channel. Reason why kung bakit nagmamahal ang product. Because si Live Good mismo ang merong mga product na diretso na sa consumer. And also, you are entitled to duplicated website. Maaaring magtatanong ka, Coach Maki, wala ba akong makukuhang product? Meron yung duplicated website. Bigyan kita ng idea. As of now, dalawang klaseng available product na ang meron sa market. Number 1, we considered as intangible product and tangible product. Pag pinag-uusapan tangible product, once na naglabas ka ng pera, may bubukuha kang produkto. Pero pag pinag-uusapan natin intangible product, most of that product coming from the internet, in your computer, in your cell phone, like Spotify, Zoom, Netflix. So that will be considered as intangible product. Tama? So imagine mo for only $49.95 and your monthly subscription, meron ka ng negosyo. Now, are you paying your monthly membership sa SSS? Imagine mo, si SSS matagal ka nang binabawasan. Every month binabawasan ka at wala kang option. But yet, mapapakinabangan mo si SS once you become a senior citizen. Insurance mo. Tama? Ang insurance mo, pag hindi mo natapos ang monthly payment mo, ano mangyayari? Di ba mawawala? Kung Meralco, tama? Hindi ka nagbayad ng monthly bill mo, mapuputulan ka. Ganon din sa tubig at sa internet. Most of them considered as subscription. Nagkaiba lang ang terminology because ang madalas na ginagamit natin noon as monthly bill. Pero i-consider din as a subscription kasi yung subscription na word ginagamit naman sa loob ng computer. Now, Coach Maki, kailangan ko ba magbenta para kumita? Kailangan ko ba bumili ng product para kumita? Ito, good news ko sa'yo. Pwede kang kumita kay Live Good kahit hindi ka bumibili ng product, kahit hindi ka nang bibenta ng product, at kahit na even without enrolling a single person. Okay, excited ka naman. Now, we call it a matrix commission. For every members na may tinatawag kaming spillover, no? System ni Live Good ang magkakaroon or maglalagay ng mga spillover dun sa mga taong naka-line up. For every people na malalagay sa iyo, they pay their monthly subscription, you will earn $0.25. Kung gusto mong kumita ng malaki at mabilis, I rather suggest mag-rank up ka to bronze or silver, gold or platinum, or to become a diamond, which kung saan kikita ka ng $16,000, $383 in the monthly subscription. Now, let me explain. So, paano yan? For example, you may sponsor or upline ka. Ang level 1 mo, limit for 2 people. Then, pag yung sponsor mo, no, nag-direct uli, lahat ng direct niya, it will fall down under dun sa first level niya. Meaning, for example, ikaw ito, no, ikaw si Juan, na spill over si Pedro sa'yo, that's the good thing. Maaaring hindi mo siya kilala, hindi mo siya kaibigan, hindi mo friend sa Facebook, pero na-spill over sa'yo. Pag-usapan natin si Pedro, isipin mo na ikaw si Pedro. Now, na-spill over sa'yo si Juan. Daw, the good news, si Juan, humataw, no? Ginawa ang negosyo, and most of his member nagbabayad ng monthly subscription. Meaning, nagbabayad sila ng $9.95 or $10. Lahat ng taong nagbabayad sa ilalim ni Juan ay kikita siya ng $0.25. So meaning, kung si Juan ay may 100 members affiliate na existing that pays the monthly subscription, at ikaw ito na nagbabayad din ng monthly subscription, kung si Pedro ay entitled sa $0.25, reason why kung bakit kumita siya ng $25, ikaw na nakapwesto, nalagay sa level 1, you are entitled to earn $25.25. Kasi kung si Juan kumita ng $25 dahil may 100 members and affiliate siya, so ikaw naman, since counted si Juan sa'yo, meron kang $25.25. Tama? That will be 1,450. What if kung dumami maging 1,000 members affiliate, so mangyayari makikita ka ng 200, si Juan kikita ng $250. Ikaw kikita ka ng $250 and $0.25, which is 14,500. Pwede na bang pang grocery? Tama? Now, you need to pay your monthly subscription to maintain your possession. Kasi if you're not, if you're going to lose your monthly subscription, hindi mo mabayaran, may tendency mawala ka dyan sa pwestong ito. May tendency na ikaw ay mapunta sa ilalim at mawala yung mga spill over sa ilalim mo. Kaya you better watch your monthly subscription. By the way, ang maganda nito, once na meron ka ng mga subscribers sa ilalim, meron ka ng pambayad ng monthly subscription mo. If ever you earn $2,250, I suggest bayaran mo na ng buo yung 1-year subscription mo para nag-aantay ka lang ng monthly income mo. Tama? Now, I suggest, since si Live Good, wala pa naman 2 years, 1 year and 2 months pa lang, I suggest gawin mo yung negosyo. At least may 2 person or 5 person to 10 person ka na sa tingin mo hindi makakatanggi, magandang may offer mo sa kanila. Kasi bakit? We have the matching bonus. Sabi ni Live Good, sa bawat sponsored mo na sumali, na mismong ikaw ang sponsored at direct mo sila, they are entitled also na kumita sa matrix. Once they earn matrix, for example, kumita sila ng tigwa $100. Sabi ni Live Good, I'll pay you 50% additional on your matching bonus because meron kang mga direct. So meaning if they're earning $100 in a specific month, you will earn $50 sa bawat isa ng direct mo. So this will be a passive income sa'yo kasi meron kang 10 direct na kumita ng 100, which is ang total passive income mo is $500 without doing anything na. Ganda ba? Now, if you're going to decide the business na gawin, may team na tutulong sa'yo. And I'm the one na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo. Now, for every person na papasok sa grupo mo, you will earn $25 sa bawat tao. Can you imagine 50% ang ibibigay ni Live Good sa'yo? Yung 50% goes to Live Good, pero si Live Good may marami pang babayaran. Tama? Pero ikaw, solid mo yung $25. Ako sa'yo, ang suggestion ko, once you join Live Good, once you join our team, much better na mag-bronze ka. Ang kailangan mo lang naman, 2 direct. Either ang suggestion ko rito, mas maganda, immediate family mo, bago ka maglagay ng ibang tao. Kasi once you decided na ilagay yung asawa mo, anak mo, kapatid mo, nanay mo, sa level 1 mo, you will earn $50 as a direct referral. So imagine mo parang libre na yung isang account. Tama? Now, the good news, kung ikaw ay may bagong direct, inilagay mo sa natag-isang direct ng asawa at ng anak mo. For example, sila naman ang kikita ng $25 kasi sila yung first level. But kung ikaw pag-uusapan natin, kikita ka ng additional $5 since bronze ka na, you are entitled up to second level of income. Kay Live Good po kasi, the higher the rank, the bigger the income. So meaning, after the bronze, we must have another goal to become a silver. Nasa iyo naman kung ano yung gusto mong way to rank up. Pero ako, kung tatanungin mo kung ako ang mapipili mong coach, no, yung silver, nakunin natin na magkaroon ng 3 bronze na direct mo with the total of 20 members para ikaw ay entitled na after level 4 income. Sabi mo, Coach Maki, pagka nag-rank up, lumalaki income. Yes. Bakit ganun? Na $2 na. Kasi nga, yung 3rd and 4th level mo, definitely kumikita ka na hindi mo na trabaho. Trabaho na to ng mga taong nag-join sa team mo na magpapalaki ng income mo. So, after the silver, we must reach the gold. No? Yung 3 bronze, tulungan natin mag-rank up to become a silver with a total of 100 members. So, gold ka na. You are entitled to earn up to 6th level of income. Next, platinum. Yung 3 silver, tulungan natin mag-gold with a total of 500 members. you rank up to become a platinum. Huwag mo na magdilim ang paningin mo doon sa total team member kasi total effort yan ng buong grupo mo. So if you become a platinum, you are entitled up to 8 level of income. Now, this is the exciting part. Once you become a diamond, at para ikaw ay mag-diamond, yung tatlong gold kanina, tulungan natin to rank up to become a platinum with a total of 2,500 members. So once you become a diamond, you are entitled to earn up to 10th level of income. Reason why kung bakit meron ka ng privilege to be part o makakuha ng tinatawag na diamond bonus pool. Sabi dito, our affiliate are huge part of success of our company. Nire-recognize ni Live Good yung effort mo, yung time mo na ni-render to hit the diamond pool. That's the reason why they recognize that and want to reward you even more by allowing you to share in the total sales of the entire company. Once you achieve a diamond rank, we will share 2% of total sales every month. Can you imagine saan nila kinukuha? Total membership and product sales. Imagine mo, hindi ka pa man gumagamit ng produkto and you become a diamond, meron kang share sa total share o total sales. That will be the profit, no? So sa traditional na company o networking, they consider this a profit sharing. So this is the good news on your part. Si Live Good binibigay ang diamond or yung profit sharing every month. Alam mo ba kung magkano ang binibigay nila? This will be $3,000 to $5,000. Depende sa magiging sales ni Live Good. No, pero as of now, dyan nagre-range yung binibigay sa mga diamond. Bakit ko alam? Kasi it so happened, my mentor is one of the diamond. Nakuha niya ang diamond in 4 months and 21 days. So last August 21, 2023, na-hit niya ang diamond. Kaya nung August pa lang, binigyan na siya ng income sa diamond. September, then October. Kung makikita mo, yung matrix, no? Yung matrix, diyan pumapasok yung income natin for every people na nagbabayad ng monthly subscription, that will be $0.25. Sa matching naman, ito yung mga direct mo na may matrix na kung saan 50%, no? Depende rin sa rank. Pag may rank ka na, may income ka pa rin up to 5th level nila. Kung ikaw diamond, hanggang 5th level. Now, can you see, yung diamond, nag-range siya ng 3,000 to 5,000 income. Kaya imagine mo, Rex Campana earned a total of 1,148,284 in 3 months dahil diamond na siya. Now, bago ka mag-decide na sumali, meron akong sasabihin sa'yo na gagawin mo dito sa grupo namin. Sisiguraduhin ko sa'yo nakikita ka. In what way? Kailangan mong gawin o magawa yung 4 easy step. Tanungin mo ang sarili mo right now kung ikaw ang nanonood ngayon, pakinggan mo maigi. Pag ikaw ay kaya mo itong sasabihin ko, you are welcome to my team. Pero pag hindi, ako na ang magdi-discourage sa'yo na huwag kang sasali. Kasi ang gusto ko, pag sumali ka, siguraduhin kong kumita ka. This is a team effort. Imagine mo, yung market mo, yung skills ng team ko, i-combine natin, sure ako, makakabuo ka ng grupo under the team The One or Diamond One. Okay? So makinig ka maigi. Now, before I proceed, no, meron tayong retail commission sa bawat bibili sa'yo. If you unrank ka, meron kang 50%. And marami na rin professional ang nagjo-join kay Live Good. We had Philippine Police, no, Armed Forces, celebrities, public figures, vlogger. If you know Doc Nan, meron siyang 480,000 followers. Kaya kung baka yung mga kakilala kaibigan mo, follower niya, mag-ingat ka. Sayang naman. Also mga seafarers and mga OFW. Now, ang good thing nito sa Pilipinas, kikita ka ng dollar. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-abroad para kumita ng dollar. Imagine mo, ang laking save ng time at the same time kasama mo pa pamilya mo. Now, if you're interested to join my team, kailangan kaya mong gawin itong 4 easy steps. Number 1, i-chat mo lang lahat ng kakilala kaibigan mo using yung script na ibibigay ko sa'yo. No? Tanungin mo sila, gusto mo ba ng dagdag kita? Kung kilala ka ng mga kaibigan mo na ikaw ay mahilig sa racket, Fred, may racket ako, open ka ba magdagdag ng kita? Kung ikaw naman ay negosyante, i-chat mo lang din, friend, may bago akong business, open ka ba magdagdag ng kita? tatapatin kita, marami magre-reply pero mas maraming di magre-reply. So ang gagawin mo is mag-focus ka lang doon sa mga taong mag-reply. Sa tagal kong ginagawa to, for sure, alam ko na ang i-reply nila sa'yo. Paano yan? Kikita ba tayo dyan? Magkano ilalabas dyan? Baka networking yan. Good news, hindi mo siya sasagutin. Ang gagawin mo lang, may script ka uli na isi-send, sasabihin mo sa kanya, if interested ka, panoorin yung video. Ipoprovide ko lahat ng script, ipoprovide ko ang video na kakailanganin mo para isend mo dun sa prospect mo nang sumagot sa tanong mo. Then after mo masend yan, sasabihin mo sa kanya, kung may tanong ka, video call tayo. So tatapatin din kita, hindi kita bubulahin. Maraming tao magugustuhan yung video na panood mo. May mga comment at question din yan. Ang sasabihin nila, maganda siya, friend, maganda siya. Mukhang kikita tayo rito. Magkano ba ang kailangan nilabas na kapital? Pare, baka scam yan or pyramiding. Good news, ang gagawin mo lang, hindi mo pa rin sasagutin ang tanong. I-chat mo siya using the script, ang sasabihin mo, friend, call kita after 5 minutes, video call tayo. For the 5 minutes, ang gagawin mo, if I'm your coach, i-chat mo lang ako. Coach Maki, may prospect ako, sabihin mo lang sa akin yung background. Pag nasabi mo sa akin, pag nag-reply ako, set the schedule. So doon sa set schedule mo, tatawagan mo yung prospect mo, i-video call mo. Make sure na nandiyan na siya bago mo ko i-add as your coach. Bago ako magsalita, dapat sabihin mo to. Good news, pare, mare, friend. Si Coach Maki, siya yung nag-guide, nag-assist, at tumutulong sa akin sa business na to. As of now, nagtitraining pa lang ako. Kaibigan, na ikaw nakikinig at nanonood nito, okay lang ba sa'yo na ako muna ang sasagot sa lahat ng tanong ng prospect mo? For sure, okay sa'yo. Okay lang ba sa'yo na ako lang muna ang magkukumbinse para sumali ang prospect mo? Sure ako. Payag ka dyan. And last but not the least, okay lang ba sa'yo na ako ang sasagot ng tanong, ako magkukumbinse, pero ikaw ang kikita ng $25 na income mo once na sumali yung prospect mo? Nga, sa tingin mo, now, magiging kumpiyansa ka. Kasi through your training na pakikinig lang, masasagot na lahat or malalaman mo lahat ng sagot ng tanong. Gawin natin consistent to, makakabisado mo yung sagot, makakabisado mo yung tanong. Darating ang time, 2 to 3 months, kaya mo nang gawin na sarili mo yung business. Tama? Kasi kumpiyansa ka na, bukod sa alam mo na yung sagot ng tanong, kumpiyansa ka kasi may kinikita ka. Okay? So, if you're interested to join my team, kindly message me and follow my video dito sa YouTube. Okay? Again, this is your Coach Maki saying feel good to live good. Thank you.